Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Viber on your PC. First of all, let's open Viber on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the Viber icon on your desktop. Once Viber is open, you need to go to the settings menu. You can find it in the top right corner of the Viber window. In the settings menu, click on privacy and security. Here you will see several options. Now scroll down until you find the deactivate Viber section. To log out of Viber on your PC, you will need to deactivate your Viber account on this device. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. Click on it. Now you have to confirm it. Once you confirm, Viber will log you out. Here you will see the login screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon.